Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change background color in Instagram story. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application. Once here, tap on your profile on the bottom right. And then click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. In here, tap on Saved. Once you find Saved, tap on All Posts. In here, you will see all your previous posts. And then, just click on one. Now, you are now going to click on the arrow icon next to the heart. In here, you can add reel to your story. In here, you can now choose the color by clicking on the circle. Just tap on it until you find the one that you desire. And then, just continue ahead and post it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.